Arvind Kejriwal to seek blessings and file his nomination in just a short while. In the New Delhi Assembly constituency, he's at the Valmiki temple. Remember, barely half an hour ago, there was Parvesh Verma, the BJP candidate from New Delhi constituency. He was here at the temple. So we'll try and get a glimpse of Arvind Kejriwal in just a short while. But what a moment, really, for Arvind Kejriwal. Ashutosh Mishra joins me. Ashutosh, he does come to Valmiki Mandir, especially previously also, I remember, ahead of filing nomination. What does this moment mean for Arvind Kejriwal? He's defeated Sheila Dikshit repeatedly and then has been able to retain government, but this could be a difficult election for him.
Temple, and here some locals from the Valmiki temple are here waiting for Arvind Kejriwal. Kejriwal, along with wife Sunita Kejriwal, has come to Valmiki temple before filing the nomination. So every election Arvind Kejriwal has contested from Delhi, or even before starting the road show, he has always visited Valmiki temple. Now there Arvind Kejriwal is meeting the locals of the Valmiki Basti. So the broom symbol, ever since he decided and selected for the Aam Aadmi Party, it was connected to the Safai Karamchari, and that's Arvind Kejriwal's have been conventional and traditional vote bank ever since Aam Aadmi Party was formed. Kejriwal, along with Sunita Kejriwal, have reached Valmiki temple to seek blessings of Bhagwan Valmiki, and from here he'll go to Hanuman temple. As a nomination day, since only 3 days left, today it's going to be a high-profile nomination day before Arvind Kejriwal. It was BJP's candidate Parvesh Verma who also came here. That also led to a controversy when shoes were distributed despite being model code of conduct imposed and the images of Arvind Kejriwal. And remember, in a fresh intelligence alert of a high security threat, Kejriwal is being guarded with the heavy security of Delhi police, and being a chief of the Aam Aadmi Party national convener and a ruling party in Punjab, he also poses threat from the extremist element in Khalistan. So you have this, you see the security cover from Punjab police as well. So he's being guarded by Delhi and Punjab police special teams. That's a heavy security cover being seen at the Valmiki temple by Delhi police and Punjab police. And Arvind Kejriwal inside the temple offering prayers, seeking blessings of Bhagwan Valmiki before filing the nomination and starting a road show. And that has been conventionally seen almost in every election Arvind Kejriwal has contested so far, that before the road show. And several people were also here, the locals from the Valmiki Basti, who met Arvind Kejriwal. And the day they have decided what is significant of this road show and the nomination is that Arvind Kejriwal will be accompanied by women. Since the Adi Abadi, as the half population, is almost all the political parties now betting upon in the elections. We have seen the success rate of different political parties in different states. Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party, announced 2,100 rupees as Mahila Samman Yojana. And before filing the nomination, there will be a show of strength, and a road show will be accompanied by hundreds of the women, the AAP supporters from different areas. And that's something, the show of strength that Aam Aadmi Party had decided strategically that this road show will show the women power. So Arvind Kejriwal, along with the family members, with wife Sunita Kejriwal, is seeking blessings from Bhagwan Valmiki in the temple, which has been a beginning of Arvind Kejriwal's politics and inception of the Aam Aadmi Party, that every time in the elections he visits Valmiki temple. These are the live images in the heart of Litins, Delhi, the Valmiki temple. And amidst the security threat, the fresh intelligence alert, and Arvind Kejriwal, who is being protected by the Delhi police, subsequently along with Punjab police, as the Aam Aadmi Party is the ruling party in Punjab, and as a chief of the party, he also has the security cover from Punjab police. And that makes this election very important for it. There have been security breach in the Arvind Kejriwal security multiple occasions, even recently a month ago. And this time the elections, the intelligence agencies, the security agencies are taking more preventive steps to avoid any untoward incidents. And amidst of all these challenges for the Aam Aadmi Party, remember today only the MHA has granted sanction, at the reports there are today, that MHA has granted sanction to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia in a money laundering case in the Delhi excise probe. And yesterday, several FIRs filed against the Aam Aadmi Party for their campaign, the use of AI. The Chief Minister Atishi named in an FIR filed by Delhi police. I see Kejriwal's son also in these images. If Ankit could zoom out, that's Kejriwal's son, wife Sunita Kejriwal, and this is the parikrama of the temple. And after spending, so he is here with the full family. So Arvind Kejriwal, wife Sunita Kejriwal, and daughter Harshita is also here. So Kejriwal is here with his full family before going for the road show to file his nomination. He met the locals here, and now he's coming to us. We'll see if Kejriwal is going to speak something, but for now he's meeting to the locals. I'll ask Ankit to come a little bit on the different sides so we could see. He's probably speaking to the locals here on this side. So there are women and the locals in the Valmiki Basti, and Arvind Kejriwal is having a conversation with them. He's having a conversation with them, and from here the entire security cavalcade and the family of Arvind Kejriwal will depart for Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place. Arvind Kejriwal, who called himself Kattar Hanuman Bhakt. So that's a conversation that Arvind Kejriwal is having. Valmiki Temple, then Hanuman Temple. Since the inception of the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal has been frequently visiting here. And today, just before Kejriwal, it was Pravesh Verma, the candidate from New Delhi constituency, Assembly constituency. And now it's a picture opportunity for the locals with Arvind Kejriwal and the family. And now he's coming down. Let's see if he speaks a few words. The photo opportunity with the the head of the Valmiki Temple. And that's the family of Arvind Kejriwal along with wife Sunita Kejriwal, daughter and son. All four of them are here at the temple. Kejriwal is seeking support and blessings in the temple. Now the Dalit vote bank is the critical in Delhi to ensure victory of any political party. Of course, all these being a triangular contest in the national capital, all three major parties will try to bank on this significant chunk of Dalit voters as they hold the power. And that's how Arvind Kejriwal coming down here. Now the team is being said that Kejriwal will speak. And let's see, that's a heavy security guard. As you notice, right after the fresh intelligence alert, we see a very heavy security of Arvind Kejriwal along with Delhi police, Punjab police. And now, since he visited, the visit to Valmiki Temple is completed. After seeking blessings, Kejriwal is en route to Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place. And now you see coming with a full family. Every time, the family, of course, the family is always a strength in every battle, be it political or any battle for any person, be it the politician or the ordinary person. So Arvind Kejriwal, before showing show of strength to the mass, here Kejriwal, with his family, the strength of Arvind Kejriwal, seeking blessings at the Valmiki Temple. And now, before leaving for Hanuman Temple, we'll try to have a word in specifically on the prosecution complaints, the accusations, the FIR against the Aam Aadmi Party and the campaigning. We are very close. Let's see if we get an opportunity.
अभी हम लोग भगवान वाल्मीकि जी का आशीर्वाद लेके आ रहे हैं। मैं हूँ, मेरी पत्नी है, मेरा बेटा है, मेरी बेटी है, मेरी बहन है और हम सब लोग भगवान वाल्मीकि का आशीर्वाद लेके आ रहे हैं। अभी मैं नामांकन करने जा रहा हूँ। अब इसके बाद हम हनुमान मंदिर जाएंगे और हनुमान मंदिर से फिर हम लोग पार्टी ऑफिस से निकलेंगे। और
इंटेलिजेंस अलर्ट है क्या?
यार क्या कर रहा है यार?
ऊपर वाला बचाएगा, ऊपर वाला बचाएगा।
आज मंदिर के बाहर जूते बांटे गए, क्या कहेंगे?
लगता है एक जूते से वो दिल्ली के लोगों को खरीदेंगे। क्या दिल्ली के लोग एक जूते की जोड़ी से खरीदे जा सकते हैं? ये तो दिल्ली के लोगों का अपमान है। जो व्यक्ति ये सोचता है कि दिल्ली के
को लेकर महिलाओं में काफी नाराजगी थी, कुछ को मिला ही नहीं।
तो जिसको ये लगता है कि वो एक जूते की जोड़ी से दिल्ली के लोगों को खरीद लेगा, उससे मैं उसके बारे में क्या कहूँ।
Arvind Kejriwal, after offering prayer at Valmiki Temple, spoke to us, spoke on the challenges for the New Delhi seat and the new threat perception, and of course the shoe distribution by Pravesh Verma's team here in the model code of conduct. And now Arvind Kejriwal is en route to Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place to see blessings of Lord Hanuman, and that's Arvind Kejriwal is speaking to some locals. If I can have Ankit Singh here. Kejriwal is speaking to the locals.
विकास है
सर, ये जूते चप्पल से कुछ फर्क नहीं
ये
पड़ेगा।
नहीं ये लालच है जी। ये बीजेपी वाले जो है आपके प्रति
Visuals. About 12 years ago, and I take you back over a decade, when it was a rookie politician, Arvind Kejriwal from the same constituency where he is today as a senior leader interacting with locals. He had defeated Sheila Dikshit, then of course remember the biggest leader of national capital in recent history. Defeated her, managed to come to government, had the Aam Aadmi Party for the first time bring that massive victory. He repeated that again, and ever since, it's been over 10 years, Arvind Kejriwal has been at the helm of affairs for Delhi politics. Will that continue, or will anti-incumbency work against him? Ashutosh Mishra is joining me right now. Also, let's listen in to the what the candidates in opposition, the BJP, who intends to defeat Arvind Kejriwal this time, has to say.
देखिए, जो उन्होंने पाप किए हैं, जो दिल्ली वालों को लूटा है, दिल्ली वालों के सपने बेचे हैं, कोविड में अपना शीश महल बनाया, सारे लोगों का खून चूसा, एक भी काम नहीं किया, दिल्ली को बर्बाद कर दिया। आज दिल्ली में इतना पॉल्यूशन है, सांस नहीं ली जाती है, सारी यमुना मैया मैली है, तो इनके पापों की सजा तो इनको मिलेगी।
So remember that it was 2013, the first election that Arvind Kejriwal won. He was a young politician then, but now this time, he is in many ways Sheila Dikshit. Can he be defeated by Parvesh Verma, who's of course not a novice politician? Parvesh Verma comes from a political family. He's the son of former CM Sahib Singh Verma. He understands Delhi politics, has been with the BJP for the longest time. Can he upseat Arvind Kejriwal this time? Up against these two gentlemen are Sandeep Dikshit, son of former CM Sheila Dikshit. Remember, for Sandeep Dikshit, it is as personal as it is political. Can he defeat the man who defeated his mother in 2013? Let's dip into the voices on the ground. Parvesh Verma with a tricolour in his hand, with the supporters of the BJP. He's filing for nomination now. And after that, Arvind Kejriwal will follow suit soon. That's a full-on show of strength and a road show in New Delhi that Aam Aadmi Party has been winning consistently in assembly elections. He's set to go file the nomination in just a short while. This is important, remember, for Parvesh Verma, because it's a big opportunity that he has got. It's a big responsibility as well. If he manages to defeat Arvind Kejriwal, this would be reincarnation even as much for Parvesh Verma and his entry with regard to Delhi politics. And as a candidate, he's been a former member of parliament, remember. So he's not a novice politician. He's been an MP, like Sandeep Dikshit. So this is a big battle clash. Experienced politicians coming with the Delhi politics expertise over the years. One has been a chief minister. Two have been the sons of chief ministers. So this is one of the most interesting key battles that you're looking at right now. Full-on dhol, dhamaka, roadshow show of strength for Parvesh Verma of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They will be hopeful that it was going to be, in many ways, the lotus blooming for New Delhi. The party has been in the government at the center. They'll want Delhi government as well. They'll want the double engine sarkar for national capital. This is, remember, you're talking about the power center of the nation. And therefore, it's a high stake battle as much for each of these parties and the candidates. Remember that while you're looking at a two-time member of parliament from Delhi, he was an MP from West Delhi, he's now been given an opportunity to contest against Arvind Kejriwal as MLA, because if he wins, this will just push him up the ladder for Delhi politics. Are we looking at a CM candidate of the BJP who's not been announced yet? If he wins, remember, this could be a big victory. Arvind Kejriwal realizes the stakes right now for New Delhi and for Delhi elections as well. Let's listen in now to what former Delhi CM, Aam Aadmi Party convener and other leaders have to say.
अभी हम लोग भगवान वाल्मीकि जी का आशीर्वाद लेके आ रहे हैं। मैं हूँ, मेरी पत्नी है, मेरा बेटा है, मेरी बेटी है, मेरी बहन है और हम सब लोग भगवान वाल्मीकि का आशीर्वाद लेके आ रहे हैं। अभी मैं नामांकन करने जा रहा हूँ। अब इसके बाद हम हनुमान मंदिर जाएंगे और हनुमान मंदिर से फिर हम लोग पार्टी ऑफिस से निकलेंगे।
Let's go on the ground then, because our colleagues currently tracking all the latest that's happening in this case. Shivani Sharma also joining us, Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, first to you, where are you presently? What is the mood around you?
Well, Pooja, we are just following the roadshow of Parvesh Singh Verma. He's the one who's contesting against Arvind Kejriwal in the very crucial New Delhi constituency. The BJP flags, as you can see right behind me, a lot of people holding the BJP flags there, also wearing, the patka. Now, a card that you can see. All this is a part of the roadshow of Parvesh Singh Verma. Cars in large numbers, the BJP flags that you can see. All this a part of the roadshow of Parvesh Singh Verma. In the morning, Pooja, he went to the Valmiki temple. Coincidentally, the same temple where at the moment Arvind Kejriwal also has gone and he's seeking blessings. So we can see, big BJP flags here in the New Delhi constituency. Arvind Kejriwal versus Sandeep Dixit versus Parvesh Singh Verma. So that's what we are seeing at the moment. The BJP flags can be seen all around. The BJP, in fact, Pooja, in a very interesting way, also believes that it will be the BJP which will win the New Delhi constituency. Big cars, big roadshow being done by Parvesh Singh Verma.
Stay on with me, Aishwarya. Look at those visuals Aishwarya is showing us right now. Full-on roadshow, show of strength, enthusiastic supporters of the BJP. And clearly looks like a bit of a traffic stall there in New Delhi. This is, remember, a high-profile zone as well. I come to you now, Shivani. Where are you on this foggy winter morning? What's happening with regard to the election campaigning and more?
Pooja, it's indeed a foggy winter morning, but the heat of Delhi ka dangal is keeping everybody warm. And I'm right now at Hanuman Mandir at CP, where Arvind Kejriwal is about to arrive shortly, because he's already leaving from the Valmiki temple. We were watching his visuals and even him speaking. And I'm at the Hanuman Mandir. If we can show you some shots of this Hanuman Mandir, where we have seen Arvind Kejriwal offering his prayers and seeking blessings from Bajrang Bali prior to this too. And today again he'll be here accompanied not only with his family, his wife, but a number of workers. And as we also saw how he posted on X this morning that he is going to file his nomination, and he'll be accompanied by the sisters and mothers of Delhi. So he's seeking blessings not only from Bajrangbali but also from the people of the national capital and from Hanuman Mandir. After darshan, he will be moving to his office, and thereafter the roadshow will begin for nomination. So we see a clear fight this morning in Delhi where Arvind Kejriwal is filing his nomination, and before that he will be coming to Hanuman Mandir at CP where we are present to seek blessings from Hanumanji.
Ani, stay on with me, because all netas, of course, want blessings from God. It's as much, of course, a religious personal movement, but it can also be in many ways an outreach with respective groups. For example, at the Valmiki temple, meeting the members of the community as well to tell them that the party stands with them, but of course simultaneously seeking blessings from the gurus, seers and the Bhagwan. This is important, remember, because like I've been saying, a triangular contest for a city that a decade ago was only about BJP Congress, a return of either party. It wasn't perhaps the high-stake battle that we have seen since Aam Aadmi Party was formed and then contested the first election. The kind of turns and the climax, the charges that we have seen has made Delhi elections very interesting and very significant as well. As a power center of the country, to get hold of Delhi government, even though you have to work in tandem and coordination with the government of the center, it is as much a certain double-engine sarkar, because every decision has to be as a collaboration, not competition. You need the approval, support of each side, and that's why BJP wants to have the Delhi government. Congress wants to be in the sarkar where it's at the helm of affairs for Delhi, and of course Aam Aadmi Party knows Delhi is where their stronghold is. So heightened activity on the streets in Delhi. It may be a cold winter, foggy morning, but clearly the temperature is heating up with regard to election rhetoric.